Hello, good day, sir, madam. My name is Mylene Garcia, 36 years of age, married, blessed with one baby girl, 2 years of age. I finished my 4 years in Bachelor of Business Administration and currently living here in the Philippines. I have a work experience in Lebanon for 2 years finished contract with 5 family members with 3 kids ages of 4, 6, and 12. And also I have experience here in the Philippines as a house worker for 2 years finish finish contract 2 years with one kid 2 years of age. Where I do on taking care of the kids, preparing their nutritious foods for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and also feeding them with their food, fixing their stuff for the school, sending and fetching them in the school, and also help them in the simple homework. And also, I help them in taking bath, changing their clothes, and to make sure that they are always clean and safe. And all the kids that I took care, I treat them as my own, and I also love them as my own. And also, I do house chores like cleaning the house, cooking, do the laundry, ironing, and also gardening, car washing. And I'm the one who go in the supermarket for the grocery. And also, I took care of their pet dogs and cat. Sir, madam, if you will hire me, I promise to do my best with my job. Work hard for your family. I will love your family as my own. I will treat your children as my own. And you don't have any problem with me when in terms of my behavior. I am a trustworthy person, hardworking person. I know how to manage my time. I have a long patience. And I know also how to obey all the rules in your house. And also, madam, sir, I want to work with you in a long term. So I hope you will like me, sir, madam. Thank you and God bless. Bye.